Hi guys, welcome back to Karamia's Corner. Let's open up some happy mail. This special mail comes from Rana, and her channel is Lilo Craft. So thank you so much for this happy mail. And this is, I believe, an entry for my birthday challenge giveaway. I am so excited to see what you sent me. Again, thank you so much for the support. If you are not familiar with Rana's channel, I will make sure to link it down below. She has amazing project shares and hauls that I truly enjoy. So many fun ideas on how to use your supplies. So let's pull this out and see what she sent me. I see the card. We have an Easter sticker. How adorable is that? And it says Clarissa. So I'm going to open this up. Oh my gosh, look at that bunny. It says hello spring. How adorable are these fuzzy bunny cottontail. And then she has some birds. Look at those beautiful die cuts. And I love that this bunny is holding that cute little bird. Let me read this real quick. Thank you so much, Rana. I love your channel as well. I am a big fan of your channel. And Rana has some wonderful VRs as well for all the channels that she supports here on YouTube. I'm so happy to have met you, and you are so kind as well. And thank you so much for joining my little birthday giveaway challenge. So let's have a look and see what she has mailed me. How adorable is this packaging? I love this neon pink ribbon. How perfect is that for spring? There are so many cute goodies in here. I did see her VR, but again, it's always fun to see all these goodies in person. Just, oh my gosh. Hold on, guys. I'm gonna get the egg out, and then we shall look at this piece by piece here. Let's start off by opening up this Easter egg and see what's in here. She has included some of these adorable M&M little flat back charms. Let me show you what that looks like over here. I love the colors. The pastel colors are so cute. So there's a closer look of those adorable mini goodies here. Let me start off by showing you some of the wonderful items that she has included here. Let's start off by looking at this wonderful bundle of tickets that she included. I love it. Love this little clip here, clothespin clip with the Easter bunny on top. She has also shared, look at the way she's packaged this, like they're candy. These are flat back Easter themed little goodies. I think they may be clay, if I'm not mistaken. Rana can correct me. And I love how she made this. This is super fun. We also have this bunny, and I love this ribbon tassel that you've added. In addition to that, she's also made another one with these mini die cuts, and that is the challenge that I had asked. I said spring themed. Look at all the bunnies and the beautiful bow again and ribbon. Super cute. And on this one, I see some miniature shaker stars, and it looks like we have a resin star here with some beautiful glitter in there. Super cute. She has a burlap banner that has some samples of beautiful white trim with gold here and this beautiful ribbon. I love that. Look at that bunny. These are super fun ideas on how to package your happy mail. And then I am going to look at this next piece. It is her ATC card. And how adorable is this bunny? I love her rosette dress with a bow, and look at that bling. I love that. I love the layer she created, and I love that this is not on cardstock, but instead it is acetate. Well, on the back side, we have her information, so I am going to read that off camera. And so her channel name is Lilo Crafts. Her IG or Instagram is Lilo_crafts. Her birthday is June 5th, and her faves are pink polka dots and anything that sparkles. Her favorite craft tool is our die cutting machine. And I have her email, so I'm going to be keeping that. So thank you so much. But in addition to that, she has also, look at this, made this wonderful embellishment pack. I'm going to open it up, but let's have a look first at this gorgeous little paper bag topper that she's made. I love the paper that you use there. Llamas. We have, this is this a brad or a flat back? I think this is a brad. This is what the back side looks like. And here at the bottom, it says created just for you, Rana. That is so sweet right here. I hope you can see that. And let's have a look and see what the embellishments look like. Here is a closer look at some of the embellishments that she has here. The first one is this beautiful Easter bow or spring bow. I love the rosette that you put in this nice shimmery tulle. And she has attached this adorable carrot, clay, and bunny. And I love that she shared some of that. Now I can make my own, and she's inspired. She showed a project on how to make those. And then our second half here, we have our ticket underneath. We have our flower die with the bunny and a cute little banner that says hugs. And at the bottom, we have these gorgeous flowers with the heart faceted gem dots. That is just beautiful. Here is another look at the beautiful Happy Mail entry that Rana from Lilo Crafts has sent me. Again, thank you so much, Rana. I love it. I love my bunnies and my embellishments and all these minis that you've shared with me. And let's not forget this gorgeous little ATC card that is made with an acetate piece of paper. I am going to have to try that. And I love my M&M charms and all these extra goodies that you've included. Make sure to check out her channel. She has some really wonderful projects and ideas and little tutorials and hauls that I know you guys will enjoy. I hope you guys enjoy this Happy Mail unboxing. I'll see you again next time. Thanks again for watching Karamia's Corner. Bye.